about 4 days since I got my hair done, and today I took a bath for like an hour and a half, and I had my bonnet on, and so my hair got super sweated out. So I'm gonna show you guys how I revitalized my Alipearl wig at home, and how I get it looking like how I did when I left the hairstylist at home. So first I want to show you some stuff that they sent with the wig. This is the bag. This is the bag that came with the purchase. And then inside they have an Alipearl head wrap. Also comes with an edge control brush, which I thought was super cool because I've never got an edge control brush come with any wig, so that was a really nice touch. So here is how my hair looks right now. So the foundation is still really good, so it's just the curls that's failed, but the hair is still very much laid. I just gotta fix the baby hairs, especially the ones over here, because they look a little crazy. The ones over here don't look so bad. Okay, so let's get to work. Let's get into what I'm going to be using today. So you need any type of product used for edge control. My favorite thing to use for my edges is the Gorilla Snot. And then I'm using also Got To Be Free Spray, of course. Edge control brush, of course. I usually like a rat tail comb, but I can't find mine, so this is skinny enough. And then we have a flat iron, and we have hot comb, I almost forgot the name, and one bobby pin. So that's all I believe I'm going to be using in this video. So let's get started. So I'm just going to be taking a wig brush to brush out the hair. Y'all, this hair is so soft, like, and this is the color that they sent to me. I did not dye this hair. This is a color that they have available on their site. I'm going to have this exact wig link below. I believe this is either 28 or 30 inches, but all the information is going to be in the description bar. So that was super easy to just take my wig brush and brush it out, and now we are going to get to straighten it. So I'm just going to be grabbing pieces, and then I just comb it with my small comb. And I am going to be putting this here behind my ear. I don't know why I always do like the front piece first and then I start making my way to the back. I don't know, I always flutter my hair like that. What a life that I've been given, what a life. Somebody sign me. All straightened. This is how it looks. You can see this difference from this, of course, obviously it needs to be straightened. So we're gonna start on the other side now. Put this back, keep this all forward, and start over here. And I'm gonna go ahead. Start on this side. One thing about it, I can't install my own wigs. I see a lot of girls installing their own wigs. I think you guys are so talented. Unfortunately, it's just not for me. I've tried several times, and like, you just gotta know when something's not for you, and that's definitely not for me. So, but even though I don't know how to do my wig like from start to finish, I absolutely know how to like revitalize a wig and how to get it back looking good, because I feel like that's key. You don't need to know how to do your own hair, but you need to know how to keep it looking good, because once you leave that chair and your stylist is gone, you need to know how to keep it looking good. So it's just not feasible for you to get your hair done every single day, unless you're literally like a performing artist who is traveling with someone on tour. But other than that, you know, people don't have stylists with them just walking around. So you gotta be your own stylist. And you see, it's super easy. Super easy because this hair is just so silky and soft, and it's so manageable and easy to work with. Oh my gosh. But first, let's finish. We got a few more strands. Wait, I feel like that one got caught in there. You know what's so crazy? I don't want nobody to take this the wrong way, but and I hope I don't say her name wrong either. I try not to say people's names wrong because I don't like people who do that to me. But I think her name is Janae Aiko. I always knew I liked her music, y'all, but like I realized lately, like I'm a stan. Couldn't realize how much of her music I liked until I just like went to her page on Apple Music, her profile, and I just clicked on, you know, like her top songs, and I just let it play, and it was like an hour later and I was still listening to her music, and all of the songs I knew and loved, and I'm like, I think I'm a stan. I'm not gonna hold you. So yeah, I'm a Janae Aiko. I should know her name. Whatever name, it's a beautiful name. And okay, so now it's pretty much all the way straight in, you guys. Let me go over this part one more time. You gotta be real particular with the hair that's in the front. Okay, but this ain't about nothing. Like, this is not giving nothing. We got to add some spice to this. So this is what we about to do. Scoot closer. First things first, now is the time to get our edges together. These are pretty good, so we're just gonna get the edges over here together. I'm just gonna tuck my hair real quick. So, I'm not an expert and I'm trying to look into the viewfinder and do this. But good thing is these edges cannot be seen. So as long as they just swooped, that's good. As long as they got that swoop going in. Okay, bam. You see like that? Bam! That's how you hit them with it. Okay. So let's start with this. And I'm like going in a weird way so that, like I said, as long as it's swoop, that's all I'm looking for, because you ain't even gonna be able to see this side. Amen, amen. Ain't nobody got time. Ooh. Oh, dang, I had it good. Ooh, okay, look, I'm about to. Damn. That ain't really a moment, but it's as good as it's gonna get. To this side, and I'm really just playing over here because this side is already laid and I don't want to mess it up. I'm not trying to mess it up, y'all, so I just added a little bit more, and then I'm gonna put some to stroke that hair back. And that is how I do my edges, or at least how I get them back together. Oh, you guys, there's one thing that I do use. So if you guys are experiencing flyaways, I suggest getting a beeswax. I'm not going to use this because I already used some twice, and I find that if you use too much beeswax, it makes your hair look really greasy and you have to wash it out. So I'm just spraying, got to be, on the top of my hair, and then I'm going to take the hot comb. And this is another way to get fly outs down without the beeswax making it all greasy. Do like beeswax, especially when like your wig is real fresh. But like I said, just don't get too crazy with it. Like I said, you see the part? You see this part? You want to make sure that there ain't a hair out of place. Everything should be very uniformed and together. And now we're gonna take that bobby pin. Please say I didn't lose it, because I think that's my only one. Now we're going to take it And this is just, I don't know, I found that my hair be wanting to come up to the front too much. So when you really want that deep side part and you want your hair to stay back like this, then I always put a bobby pin right behind my ear to keep it back. That's just my preference for this style. Y'all can do whatever y'all want, but that's just what I do. And then let's get to curling. Doing some other promo, and that's why I have on a bikini, if y'all was wondering. But I gotta stand up, and I know how you girls like to tussle when the girls show too much on the screen. So let me just cover for you guys. Polished it looks. Like, this is such a polished, pretty look. Let me turn on some more light. I'm just realizing I ain't have my big light on. But the lighting should be good. But you guys, just look. Let me scoot up. Now, scoot back up. Y'all, this hair, I love it. When I tell y'all, let me tell y'all, I get at least a dozen companies at minimum per week that's trying to get me to endorse their hair, pay me to wear their hair, make a YouTube video, make an Instagram post, and I decline 95% of them because, first of all, I can't endorse everyone's hair. I'm not a hair page. Second of all, I really only like to endorse companies that I really trust that's really going to provide good hair. And so it takes a lot for me to want to work with a new company. A lot of companies that I work with, I've worked with for years, because it takes a lot for me to want to endorse a new company, because I still, even though I get paid for promo, I still want to make sure that I am putting brands in front of you guys that like are good brands. I value my money. I know you guys value your money, so I don't want to be selling you guys a bad brand. You know what I'm saying? In the moment I work with a company and they get bad reviews, like people are hitting me up and talking about issues that they're having with the company, I literally won't work with that company anymore. Because my name means a lot to me when it comes to like who girls trust for like recommendations and stuff like that. And a lot of products that you guys will see on my Instagram, on my YouTube, or just any social media, I purchased out of pocket, and I'm recommending you something that I pay my own money for. So yeah, I really love this wig, and when I say I really love this wig, I really mean it. I'm quick to tell somebody I'm not doing the video. Y'all won't believe how many brands got beef with me, because I'll literally be like, I don't like it, I don't want to do the video, or I don't want to do a picture. I'll send somebody their money back quick. Bye. Like, I don't want to do it. I don't like it. So I just want you guys to know that if I say that I really like something, I really do, and I want you to trust that I mean that. But yeah, I really like this hair. For some specs, like I said, I think that this hair is 28 or 30 inches long. I'll put it on the screen, and also everything will be in the description box below. This is HD lace. Let me pull up on you. It's a little sticky because, you know, my bonnet was sitting on it, but we good, girl. We picture ready. We ready to take a picture. What was that? Oh, now with this broke nail. Okay, anyways. I love this hair. I'm definitely going to be working with this company again in the future. Hold on, let me fix that, because it's really all in the wrist. You know what I'm saying? You really got to have that wrist. You know what I'm saying? Like that. So definitely going to be working with this company in the future. So you definitely will be working with this company in the future. So you definitely will be hearing about me and Alipearl again very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, thumbs up. If you guys want to see more hair content, thumbs up. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.